Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to our Excellence Assembly on Friday 25th of September. Thank you for joining us again as we celebrate the achievements and the excellences of our children in the school. We've also got a couple of celebrations of things that have happened outside of school today. We'll start straight away this morning by joining Bumblebee class. Bumblebee class are obviously our youngest children. They're now into their third full week of school, and what an incredible start they have made. Things have really settled down in there, and they have learned made some great friendships, and they've started their reading, writing and number practice already, so well done to all of you. The first special award this week goes to Belle for being a wonderful friend and letting everyone join in with her games. The staff and the team in that class love seeing your beautiful smile each morning when you're doing your number and sound work, and that's a big well done from Mrs Osborne, Miss Finn and Miss Hoogan. Keep it up, Belle. They're very, very proud of you. Our second award of the week in Bumblebee class goes to Alex for sharing his wonderful ideas with the class and for always being helpful towards others. Your team is so proud of how well you're doing with your sounds. Keep up the excellent work. It's lovely to see you've made such a positive start to your time in Bumblebee class. And that comes again from Miss Osborne, Miss Finn and Miss Hoogan. Now moving into our class, I know Mrs Green, Mrs Moss and Mrs Taylor and Mrs Grace had a lot of difficulty this week choosing their excellence awards. The first award of the week, however, goes to Frankie for an excellent start to term, giving of her best and accepting all the challenges that have come her way. In both reading, writing excellence and in maths, she has been excelling, showing creativity in her writing and a deeper understanding of place value in her number work. She's a helpful owl, showing kindness to her peers. Keep up the great work, Frankie. Your team are very pleased with what you've been doing. The second award of the week for our class goes to Faye for settling so well into the new year and becoming a fantastic owl to start with. She's been working very hard in her reading, writing excellence lessons and has shown a determination to succeed. In maths, she's been comparing numbers with the help of Charlie the Crocodile, of course, so well done to you, Faye. And that comes from Mrs Green, Mrs Moss, Mrs Grace and Mrs Taylor. Please keep it up, Faye, and keep smiling. It's time to move into Key Stage 2 now, and starting with Dear Class. Mr Clark and Miss Simpson have been working really hard with the team this week to decide who will be awarded their certificates. The first certificate goes to Owen, and what a good day to receive that, Owen, an early birthday present for you, for showing a consistently sensible and positive attitude towards all aspects of school life. You approach every single subject eager to do your best that you can. You listen well to instructions and take great pride in your learning. You set an excellent example to others, Owen, with your behaviour and your attitude towards learning. So well done, Mr Cook and Miss Simpson. Hope you very much keep that up all year and enjoy your birthday, Owen. The second award of the week in Dear Class goes to Amelia for having a cheerful, positive attitude towards all of her learning classwork. You approach all your tasks with enthusiasm and you ask sensible questions to help you understand better when you're unsure. You are always willing to have a go and you work hard to follow advice to improve your work. Keep it up, Amelia, and well done from Mr Cook and Miss Simpson. Now as moving to Otter class, who've had a very exciting week this week. The first award of the week is given to Harry, because Harry has thrown himself into his learning this term, being attentive and enthusiastically answering teacher questions in all the lessons. He avidly completes all activities to the best of his ability. Mrs Solomon and Miss Mexter were especially impressed when Harry brought in some beautiful artwork he completed at home with a little help. Brilliant start, Harry. Keep it up, from Mrs Solomon and Miss Mexter. Second award of the week goes to Violet for working hard every day on your reading and your comprehension skills. You are making great progress moving up through the reading scheme books at a lightning pace. It's a pleasure to have Violet in the class, who always has a smile for both Mrs Solomon and Miss Mexter, and they can tell that she really wants to learn and try her best at all times. Well done, Violet. You are described there as a star. And thank you to Mrs Solomon and Miss Mexter. Now moving into Badger class. Badger class this week started their ukulele lessons with our peripatetic teacher and made a great start. We did have them on the field, but that was purely about social distancing, not the noise they were making. The first award of the week in Badger class goes to Isabella for consistently working to a high standard in English, producing some fantastic pieces of writing. Your team were particularly impressed with your recent work using the 5 senses and descriptive language to create a gothic atmosphere. That award comes from Miss Bennett and Mrs Smith. Keep it up, Isabella. We always enjoy reading your writing. Our second award of the week goes to Tilly for her insightful contributions during class assemblies. You've shown a maturity and a great sensitivity, which you can also apply to all that you do, while also proving incredibly persuasive in class debates. Well done from Mrs Bennett and Mrs Smith. Keep it up, Tilly, and I look forward to working with you again in the school council very soon, hopefully. Now moving to Fox class, who have had an incredibly busy week this week. If you haven't seen our Twitter feed recently, have a look on yesterday, as they had 20 minutes to complete a brains and brawn challenge. If you look on Twitter, you'll find out whether they were successful or not. The Excellence Award for this week, however, is given to Lily for her excellent, consistent approach to her studies and her positive contribution in every single lesson. Even in subjects you find challenging, Lily, you always put yourself forward to have a go and answer questions. Your quiet confidence increases every day, and you're developing into a great Year 6 role model to everyone in that classroom. And your award today comes from Mr Clark. So well done, Lily, and keep it up. Now, we love celebrating what we see of our children in school, but we also know there's so many things that go on outside of school with interesting talents being developed. Maybe not so many at the moment, but for those that are being achieved, please do continue to send those into our email address so we can share those with you. This week I'm pleased to say we have 2 different excellencies from outside of school to share. The first of those is Indy Ray, who has been perfecting her gymnastics.
Better. Go on, keep going, you can do it. Good job.
Parallel bar work.
Ah, good girl. That was much better.
Keep going, you can do it.
Good job.
Good job. Ah, good girl. That was much better.
Indy Ray, I'm not sure what you had for breakfast on that day, but I would love to try that, although I'm not sure I'd be able to do what you've done there. The second move that Indy Ray has perfected is apparently called an aerial, which is described as a no-handed cartwheel.
Good job.
Indy Ray, a very impressive move there, and I know you will keep practicing. Who knows, one day maybe being Featherston's first Olympic gold medalist. That would be something wonderful to see. The second thing we want to mention this week goes to Skylar, who has just joined Bumblebee class but has already settled in so very well. Skylar and her brother have raised a huge £503.75 for the Kent Air Ambulance by doing a pony ride around Bilsington for sponsorship. I also know that they have committed to doing a 10-mile Halloween ride. So well done, Skylar, and well done to your pony. You look beautiful there, sat on their back. Keep up the great work. It's really important and really pleasing to see young people supporting worthwhile charities. Now, 2 birthdays this week. Today we have Owen's birthday, celebrating for Dear Class as he turns 8. It's also Lillian's birthday tomorrow, also in Dear Class and also turning 8. We hope you both have wonderful birthdays and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Now, Harvest Festival, it's that time of the year as the weather is definitely changing this week that we start turning our attentions towards Harvest Festival. On Wednesday, we'll be broadcasting a video on our YouTube channel as we celebrate with the children in school. We invite you to join us. We'll send out details nearer the time. In terms of donations this year, we would normally ask you to donate something and bring it into the school. However, at this time, we'd suggest instead you drop something into the food donation bins next time you're doing your shop in the supermarket. Most of them have baskets in the exit. You can drop in some soups or tinned goods. Dried pasta is always popular, as well as toiletries. Just a reminder to keep checking your parent mails. Hopefully you find the information useful. And finally, just a reminder of all the different ways of keeping in touch through our website, through our ever popular Twitter feed, which is now up to over 190 followers. It would be wonderful to report 200 followers in the coming weeks. We've also got the YouTube channel, which you're watching on today, and our dedicated families email address, which is families@featherston.kent.sch.uk. Just a reminder to please use that email address for all communications with the school. That's monitored by a team of the senior leadership team who will respond very quickly. If your message is for another teacher, it will be passed on and we'll endeavour to get an answer back to you within 24 hours at the latest. If your inquiry is more urgent, please phone the school phone number on 01233 820 479 and Mrs Brignall or Mrs Rosen will give you an answer just as quickly as they can. Once again, thank you for joining us for our Ericsson Assembly today. It's so pleasing that we can still share in these exciting experiences for the children, and we look forward to seeing you very, very soon. Take care and have a great weekend, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.